Okay, let's go back to the very first thing we did, which was applying straight medium to these, straight medium and then diluted medium to these two circles, and then going ahead and putting our Inktense color on there, and then seeing what happens when we dilute the medium half and half with water and use it to activate it. So I am again going to pull this fuchsia and I'm going to just stroke some color in here. I'm not going to do a lot because mostly I just want you to see what happens. And on this one, I'm going to put a little bit here too. And then I'm going to go ahead and use yellow this time, and get some yellow in here with this, so you can really see, you know, what happens when you're trying to mix colors and you're putting the base down first to seal the fabric. What it does. Is it different or is it not different? You kind of need to have an idea of what is going to do, so that when you're doing different types of imagery, you know what method to use. Okay, now I'm taking my paintbrush with my diluted, no, it's not, my half and half. It's actually a little wetter than I like. I'm going to put that on this one that's mixed half and half. You see how the pigment moves and blends just a little bit easier, I think. Everybody is different, so it may not work that way for you, but okay, now I just have a wet brush. I washed it out, so I could pull this color right up into here. Now, on this one, the far left, I'm just going to use water, and I'm going to start in the center, because even though this has sealed the fabric, water still runs, and I want you to see, you know, kind of what will happen here. So you can get more of a watercolor. See how it blended faster? Like this, I had to really work, and this I didn't. However, I still do have to worry about this coming off the edge just a smidge. So if that's something that bothers you, then you probably want to stick with this method.